Hello and welcome to the most unprofessional culinary channel. Today we're gonna learn how to make pizza. No, actually we're not gonna learn because my oven is broken. So that's why today is the sandwich day. In 5 minutes I will show you how to make the perfect caviar sandwich. But first of all we need some tools, right? We need a plate. This is a very professional chef's plate. Chef's knife. One of the best chef's knife I ever seen. And then professional cutting board. And of course, don't forget about chef's cap. I don't have any, so I think this is gonna be the very nice substitution. Okay, now I feel safe. We can start. This. Okay, this is even better than the black caviar. This is the imitation of black caviar. Very expensive, around $1. The imitation of red caviar also really, I would say extremely expensive. $1. Butter. Not so expensive, $2. And we are almost ready to start. So first, in a very professional way, we need to cut the baguette. It's not really sharp, but yeah. So as you see, this is a very professional cut. One day I'm gonna buy a better knife. One day. One more professional cut. And one more. Cut the bread, don't cut the fingers. Yeah. Now butter. You see, if you don't keep your butter in the fridge, it becomes very sticky. So of course I made this mistake. I kept it not in the fridge. But on this channel we learn from our mistakes. That's how we grow. And one day we will become the best chefs in the world. Not tomorrow, not next week, one day. Now I go in the fridge. I need a spoon. The special caviar spoon. It looks like regular spoon, but it's not. It's a special caviar spoon. Okay, I forgot to teach you how to open the caviar scanner. You need to open it by hand. Yeah, only by hand. Like this. Success. Extremely expensive black caviar imitation. Yeah. And another spoon. And one more. It is just perfect. Another can open only by hand. You see, second time is much more easy. We need to take a fresh caviar spoon. Simple perfection, guys. They're so perfect. Oh my god. Oh my god, this is like a state of art. So I would say one of the most challenging part of chef job is to try. We're gonna try both of them. I don't know from which one to start. They're both so perfect. Oh, I feel so excited. It's good to have my safety hot on now. Please remember my recipe and keep to the recipe. Gorgeous. So stay with us. Keep up to the recipe. And on our next video, we will show you how to make real pizza.